Verifying your AvaTrade account is a crucial step to ensure that your account complies with regulatory requirements and that you can start trading. Here's how to verify your AvaTrade account. Sign into your AvaTrade account. Go to the AvaTrade website or open their app. Log in using your account credentials. Complete the KYC. AvaTrade follows regulatory requirements, so you need to submit documents to verify your identity and address. This includes proof of identity, a scanned copy or photo of a government-issued document like a passport, national ID, or driver's license. The document should clearly show your full name, date of birth, and the photo. Proof of address, a utility bill, bank statement, or official government document showing your name and current address. The document should be recent, usually within 3 months. Submit documents. Upload your identity and address verification documents via the AvaTrade platform. Ensure that the images are clear and legible. Wait for approval. After submission, AvaTrade will review your documents. This can take from a few hours to a few days. Once verified, you'll be notified and your account will be fully activated. Start trading. After verification, you can start trading on the platform and access all features.